Hello, today I want to show you how to upgrade your website on Drupal to use Composer 2. If you have upgraded Composer from Composer 1 to Composer 2, which is quite easy, and Composer suggests it even itself, so I won't cover it here, you are likely to have errors when you start upgrading your website. It will look something like that when you try to Composer update with dependencies. You will start having errors like that. So first it says that the Composer type library is not supported. We need to edit the Composer JSON file. And the library type is located in the installer types. It was supported in version 1, but it's not supported in version 2. We need to remove it. Don't be concerned, because Drupal libraries over here, Drupal Library, it is supported. So we need to save it now and try again. Now it found more errors. It found an error, as you can see. It found an error in Drupal Scaffold. It says that it currently requires version 1, more than 1, but it actually needs version 2 or higher. And with Drupal Scaffold, it's version 2, but it needs a higher version than that. So we need to edit our Composer file again. And actually, for the Composer Scaffold, that version that we have here, that whole library, is no longer supported. We will need to replace this library by a different library. And I will copy and paste. And this is the name of the library. It's core Drupal core Composer Scaffold. And you can see that the versioning here is also different. Okay, and the other library where we had issues, it was in Composer Installers Extender. It's now more than 1, and we need to set it to 2. And also, I think it was Composer Merge plugin, which we needed to set to version 2. We save it now and try again. It's thinking. Now, one thing that you should notice is that Composer 2 is much faster, like 10 times faster. It has worked this time, and if there are any messages, there are no messages. It says that some libraries that we use are abandoned, but we cannot change that. It's not for us to change these things. So here it has succeeded, and it was fast. So basically your task is to go and look at the errors that it shows and correct them. One thing that you might not know is that you need to replace core Composer Scaffold, but now you know that. So hopefully it works for you. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments.